Hey guys, you are welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to talk about how to check hard disk health in our computer. Let's see how to do it. First, open your web browser and search Crystal Disk Info. Then click this. Then click Crystal Disk Info and download it. Then open it. Now put a tick to I accept the agreement and click next. Then choose a place to install and click next. If you need to add shortcut for this software in desktop, put this tick, then click next, then click install button. Then click finish. Now you can see Crystal Disk Info software. In here you can see the name of the hard disk. Then you can see health status and temperature in here. In here you can see the details of the hard disk. If you got result as good, it is no problem for hard disk. If you got result as caution, keep a backup and try to change hard disk. If you got result as bad, please keep a backup and change hard disk quickly. If you like this video, please comment me. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.